Welcome to qnawire.
10% of Americans believe they have seen a UFO before. We're taking a sample of 10 people, and we are going to find the probability that at least 2 people have seen a UFO before, 2 or 3 people have seen a UFO before, and that exactly 1 person has seen a UFO before. We have to use Table B in Appendix A. So you turn to that table. We are concerned with the probability of 0.10, and our sample size is 10. So you're going to scroll down to where you see n equals 10. And I'm going to write some of that table down. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes up to more, but I'm just concerned with those values. The first one says 0.05, and the second one says 0.10, which is the column that we want to look at. So I'm going to write down those probabilities. And we're going to see how we can use them to answer these questions. So the first one says, what is the probability that at least 2 people have seen a UFO before? So the easiest way to answer this one is to find the opposite first. So we want to know, what's the probability that no one has seen a UFO? And what's the probability that 1 person has seen a UFO? The reason we're doing that is because 2 up to 10, those are the people that's the probability we're looking for. So we want to take the no one has seen UFO and 1 person has. So when I look at this table, 0 is 0.349, and the probability that 1 person has seen a UFO is 0.387. So when I add those together, I get 0.736. Now that was the probability that no one has seen a UFO and exactly 1 person has seen a UFO. So we have to subtract that because that's the opposite of what we are looking for. So 1 minus 0.736 is 0.264, which means the probability that at least 2 people have seen a UFO is 0.264, or 26.4%. To find x equals 2 or x equals 3, we look at the table and we are going to add those values together. So for x equals 2, we see that that probability is 0.194. For x equals 3, we see, looking at Table B in Appendix A, we get 0.057. When we add those together, we get 0.251, or we can express that as 25.1%. To find the probability that exactly 1 person has seen a UFO, we can look at the Table B, and right here, we see that that is 0.387, or 38.7%. Using that table is really helpful when our probabilities are 0.05, 0.10, 0.20, some multiple of 5 or 10. And the sample size is not huge. It's really helpful.